Good morning, Power Wash Store, Central PA here. Give you a look here at this flatbed built that we just put together and are handed over to the customer today. This truck is going to be going out to Pittsburgh, and it's going to be used by a roofing contractor to prep roofs before they recoat them. So what we did here on this unit, we have installed two pressure washers. One is the hot water unit, and then the other one is cold water unit here. Hot water unit is one of our Water Dragon units, 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 psi, and the cold gear drive, and then the cold water is the identical unit just without the burner, 8 gallons a minute at 3,500 psi. So they will be able to run these both with cold water, or they can run one hot and one cold, whatever they may need. Hose reels, we went with the 18-inch Titan reels. These are the electric reels. We have two 300-foot sections of 2-wire 6,000 psi hose for the pressure washers, and then we have two sections of 3/4 garden hose to fill up the tanks. We wanted to do two separate garden hose feeds here just to make sure that they have plenty of water. The tanks that we've installed are two 270-gallon tanks, giving them 540 gallons total capacity of water on this build. And here we have the 22-gallon gas tank for both the hot and cold water pressure washer. And over here is an 11-gallon fuel tank that is used for the diesel. And that's about it on this truck. This is a 9-foot flatbed truck. So you can see we were kind of limited with our space here. It's just a tight little package, but yeah, so if you are interested in a build something like this, give us a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.